Good afternoon. So today we are going to discuss Ibps Rrb Clerk Prelims Mock Test 12. So arithmetic explanation. So see the first question. Difference between the square of the two numbers is 45. Square of the two numbers is nothing but a square minus b square now is equal to 45. If the sum of the numbers is 9, then what will be the difference of the numbers? A plus b into a minus b na? A square minus b square is nothing but. So here they given sum of the numbers is 9 na? 9 how many times 45? 5 times. Therefore difference of the numbers is 5. Shall I go for the next question? A square minus b square is equal to 45. A plus b into a minus b is equal to 45. So 9 5 times a minus b is equal to 5. Length of a rectangle is 50% more than its breadth. Area of the rectangle is 54. Then what will be the perimeter of the rectangle? Perimeter of the rectangle. See here. Length is 50% more than breadth. Say for example, breadth is 2 parts. Length is 50% more na? 3 parts. So, sir, why you are assuming breadth as 2 parts? 50% is nothing but 1 by 2. The denominator should be the number, assumption. So 3 parts, 2 parts, or 2x, 3x. So area is nothing but L into B na? That is nothing but 6x square. 6x square is nothing but how much? Then 9 times na? X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, one part is 3, length is 9 parts, 9, and this is 6. They are asking perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but sum of its boundaries. So 2 times of L, 2 times of B. L plus B is 15 na? So 2 times of L plus B is 30. Your answer is 30. Next one. John invested 5,000 for 3 years in a scheme offering simple interest for R% per annum. If the amount received by John from the given scheme was 6,800, what is the value of R? Principal is how much? Amount is? Difference is interest na? 1,800. That is how many years interest? In simple interest, every year interest is same na? So 3 years is 1,800, 1 year is? That 600 is interest on principal na? In 5 table 60 goes? Your answer is 12%. 1 year interest is 600. 1 year interest is? See, principal is interest is always calculated on principal. So your answer is 12%. 5 is there, 60 is there, 5 12s hours. Zeros automatically get cancelled. Are you ready? Next one. 2 years hence, the respective ratio between the ages of Tanya and Vinay at the time will be 2:1. 2 years hence. 2 years hence ratio is what? 2:1. So who are the persons? Tanya and Vinay. Next. If 7 years hence, 7 years hence. So ratio is what? If the sum of the Tanya and Vinay is what? 40. If you observe carefully here, 7 years hence is 40. 7 years hence is 40. Then 2 years hence is 30 na? 2 years hence to 7 years hence is nothing but 5 years gap is there na? Each person 5 years na? 2 persons na? 10 years na? If you subtract 10 from 40, that is 30. Therefore 3 parts is nothing but 30. Then 2 parts is? 1 part is, but they are asking about what? What is the present age of Tanya? So 2 years hence, 2 years hence it is what? 2 years hence it is 20. Present is nothing but you have to subtract 2. Your answer is 18. Are you clear? Next. The average age of a set containing 4 consecutive even numbers is 9. So 4 consecutive even numbers is what? 9. So we can't say exact middle number na? Therefore, middle 2 numbers average is 9 na? The before number is? And then is 10. What will be the sum of the second smallest number and second largest value? Largest value is this one na? Second largest is 10 na? Smallest is this one na? Second smallest is? They're asking those two sum. Your answer is? No need to solve all these things. They're asking second largest, second is nothing but middle 2 numbers only. So middle 2 numbers average is 9, then sum is 18 na? So no need to solve like this also. Directly 9 into 2, 18. Are you clear nana? మీకు అర్థం కావాలని చెప్పే అంతే. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న Ram and Sham can together finish the work in 2 days. If the respective ratio between the time taken by Ram alone and Sham alone to take to complete the work in 1:2, in how many days can Sham finish 80% of the work? The times ratio they given. Times ratio is what? 1:2 na. Therefore, efficiency ratio is what? 2:1. Ram efficiency is 2 parts. Sham efficiency is 1 part. So together efficiency is 3 parts. Together complete the work in 2 days. 2 into 3 is nothing but 6 na. Total work is 6. Now this 6. So if you observe carefully here, in how many days Sham can finish 80% of the work, not entire work. 80%. 80% is nothing but 4 by 5 na. So 4 by 5th of 6th. Who will complete this one? Sham. Sham efficiency is what? Sham efficiency. So 4 by 5th of 6. 24 by 5 now. So 24 by 4 by 5. So we need only 80% of the work. All of it clear na? Otherwise, calculate total. It will take 6 units na. Total work is 6 units na. Daily Sham work is 1 na. Ever maatladledra na? 6 by 1 is nothing but 6 na. Then calculate 80% of 6. 80% of 6 is nothing but 4.8. 4 by 5 or 4.8, both are same. Ala kuda cheyochu. Choice is yours. Respective ratio between the quantity of milk and water in a jar is 5:1. Okay, 6 liters of mixture is taken out of the jar and replaced with 2 liters of the water. The respective ratio between the quantity of milk and the water in the resultant mixture is 5:2. So what was the quantity of water in the jar initially? Quantity of water. See here, milk, water. Milk, initially how much is there? 5:1. 6 liters of milk is mixture is taken out. Are you clear, Nana? 6 liters of mixture is taken out and replaced with 2 liters of water. Total 6 parts na. So they are asking initially how much water is there na. So options are very smaller values, so we go through options, we have to eliminate easily. 1 part is 3, then water is 3 liters, milk is 15 liters. Total 18 liters na. Total 18 liters na. You are withdrawing how many liters? 6 liters is nothing but 1/3 of total na. 1/3 of total is nothing but 1/3 of 3, 1. So 1 liter is eliminating. 1/3 of 15, 5. Whenever you are withdrawing 6 liters, out of that 6 liters, 5 liters of milk is coming out and 1 liter of water is coming out. After completing, if you remove, the remainders are what? 2 liters of water, 10 liters of milk. Now you are adding what? 2 liters of, then that is what? 10:4 na. 10:4 na. 10:4 is nothing but 5:2 only na. And our assumption is correct na. So no need to go for the original method. If you go for the original method, 5x, 1x. So if you do circuit, then you will get the answer. All of it clear na? Next. Respective ratio between the length of a train A and length of train B is 2:1. If the speed of train A and speed of train B 90 and 72 km/h respectively, so it will take 10 seconds to cross each other in opposite direction. So what is the length of train A? So whenever one train is crossing another train, the distance is nothing but length of train A plus length of train B na. So together is how many parts? 3 parts, 3x. That is equal to, distance is nothing but speed into time. Speed is nothing but relative speed. Which direction? Opposite direction. 72 plus 190, 160. 162 into 5 by 18. How many seconds it will take? 18 1s are 18 9s are 9 5s are 45. 45 10s are 3 parts is nothing but 450. Each part is 150. So they are asking length of train A. Length of train A is 2 parts now. So 2 into 150. Your answer is 300. A shopkeeper earns a profit of 20% on selling an item. If the difference between the cost price and market price of an item is 10 rupees, and the difference between the selling price and market price of the item is 6 rupees, what is the cost price of the item? So if you observe carefully here, all of you, చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా చూస్తే, a shopkeeper earns a profit of 20% by selling an item. Therefore simply we can say cost price is 5 parts, selling price is 6 parts. Are you accepted or not? Sir, why you are taking 5 parts as cost price? 20% is nothing but 1 by 5. 5 parts is the cost price, 1 part is the profit, selling price is 6 parts. Are you clear? Now they given if the difference between the cost price and market price of an item is cost price and market price is how much? 10 rupees. Cost price and market price is how much? 10 rupees. Okay, no problem. 10 rupees. Cost price and market price. The difference is how much? 10 rupees. So market price will be more than cost price. Are you clear? Next. And the difference between the selling price and market price of the item is 6 rupees. Market price and selling price difference is what? 6 rupees. The difference is what? 6 rupees. Selling price is always a multiple of 6. Cost price is a multiple of 5. So that is the reason. What is the cost price? I am going to take cost price is 80. So why you are taking 80 as the cost price, sir? If you take 80 as the cost price, then selling price is the 6 multiple. If you take cost price is 80 rupees, profit is 20%. 20% on 80, 16 rupees. 16 plus 80, 96. 96 is a 6 multiple or not? If 5 parts is 80, 6 parts is 96 na? అలా కూడా చేయక్కర్లేదు. అలా ఫీ క్లియర్ నానా? ఇప్పుడు కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ మనం 80 అనుకుంటే సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఏమవుతుంది? మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ 10 రూపీస్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి కదా, డిఫరెన్స్ అప్పుడు 10ఏగా. మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్కి సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్కి డిఫరెన్స్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్కి కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్కి సాటిస్ఫై అయింది కదా. అంటే మీ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఎంత ఉండాలి? అంటే ఇట్స్ 6 మల్టిపుల్. 6 మల్టిపుల్ రావాలంటే కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ని 80గా తీసుకోవాలి. అలా ఫీ క్లియర్ నానా? నన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ అయితే కాదు. 50 తీసుకుంటే 60 వస్తుంది కాదు, ఎందుకంటే డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది 10 6 రాదు కాబట్టి. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న, out of his monthly salary, Ram spends 10% paying house rent. Out of his the remaining salary, he spends 25% buying groceries, and remaining salary puts in FD. The amount paid by Ram in FD is 27,000. What is the monthly salary? So total monthly salary telsa 100. How much initially? 10%. 10% of 100. Remaining is out of the remaining 25% na. 25% is nothing but 22.5 na. 2 times a half. Remainder will be 67 point. But according to our problem, 27. So 6 is there, 24 is there. How many times it goes? 400 times. 400 times of 100. 400 times of 100. మళ్ళీ సర్కట్ చేయొద్దు, క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేసి. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ క్లియర్ నానా? సో 6 కనిపిస్తుంది, 20 కనిపిస్తుంది. 6 4 జాస్ 24 కదా, 7 and 4 జాస్ 3 కదా, 24 + 3 27 కదా. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? అది ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా 400 టైమ్స్ పోతుంది. 400 × 100 అంటే 40,000. Next, see here. So 348 na. So 3 subtract 348 from 980. 630. 600. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? 8ను మనకు 2 రావాలంటే దేంతో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి? either 4 or 9. So end with 2 or 4 or 9. Which option is there? Your answer is 79. మళ్ళీ మొత్తం చేయక్కర్లేదు. అక్కడ 2 రావాలంటే దేంతో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి? 1 × 8 8, 6 × 8 8, 3 × 8 4, 3 × 8 4. But we need 2. Only one option. Are you clear, Nana? Next, 9 square, 7 square plus minus 64 is equal to x na. This is what? Plus 3 na. This is plus 3 is nothing but this is 84. 84 minus 49. చూస్తున్నారు 35. 30 నన్ను ఇక్కడ 4 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 9 ఉంది. నన్ను డిఫరెన్స్ 5 కదా. ఎండ్ విత్ 5 ఒకటే ఆప్షన్ ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న 7 టేబుల్ హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్? దట్ ఈస్ 7 క్యూబ్ నా. 7 స్క్వేర్. 7 స్క్వేర్ 25% is nothing but 8 how many times? 3x is equal to 24 na. X is equal to 8. See here, all of you. Ready? 9,000 get cancel na. ఎవరు మాట్లాడలా. 552 get cancel na. అయిపోయింది. 6,000 8,000 14,000. నెక్స్ట్ 800 700 70 90 160 160 plus 1500 1660 1660 plus 14,000 15,660. Your answer is 15,660. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? ఎక్కడెక్కడ కట్ చేసా అదే. నెక్స్ట్ నాన్న 50% అది కూడా హౌ మచ్ అన్నా? హాఫ్ అని నాకు తెలుసు 35. హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద నాకు అదెంతో చెప్పాలి కానీ. 17 హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ అన్నా? 17 times. 17 how many times? 17. 17 2s are 34. Now see here అన్నా 44 into 35 కదా. సో 44 into 30 ఎంత? లేదంటే 435 times ఎంత? 140 ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు 1 4 35 టైమ్స్ నానా 35 35 70 70 70 140 అంటే 1400 ప్లస్ 140 1540 minus 34 6 end with 6 first of all only one option last digit చూసినా 4 5s are ఎంత 0 minus 4 అంటే 6 end with 6 only one option ఉంది all of you clear నానా next check it here all of you ready see here nana so 500 to 500 get cancel na remainder is what 300 next here 18 128 difference is 110 that 110 comes to this side this 110 comes to this plus 110 na 4 nana see here 500 cut cheste remainder is 302 na are you clear remainder is 302 wait ఇది ఎటో పోయింది ఇది see here plus 500 కట్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది 302 ప్లస్ 18 మీరు 128 లోంచి కట్ చేస్తే మైనస్ 110 నా మైనస్ 110 సో మైనస్ 110 యువతలకు వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది ప్లస్ 110 అంటే 302 ప్లస్ 1 అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది 412 మైనస్ 12 ఉందా ఎస్ అంటే సింపుల్గా ఆ మైనస్ 12 కూడా తీసేస్తే 400 కదా 400 అంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది 20 యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 20 నెక్స్ట్ అన్న సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ 7 నా ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ 7 9 స్క్వేర్ 11 స్క్వేర్ 121 plus 81 200 if you subtract 6 196 is 14 7 how many times your answer is 2 see here 50% of 400 is plus 200 na this is 800 na 800 na so 800 is 80% then 100% is 1000 800 is 80% then 100% is 1000 next see here keep through options Nana. If you keep options that is very easy for you go through first option 3 square 9 plus 4 13 square 160 3 square 9 8 jars plus together is 169 only next are you ready జాగ్రత్త చూడండి నేను కట్ చేస్తుంటాను జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు చూస్తూ ఉండాలంతే చూస్తుంటారా 18 3 15 cancel are you clear half goinda all of you clear nana 1 2 by 7 అంటే 9 by 7 only minus 4 by 7 na 9 by 7 minus 4 by 7 అంటే 5 by so our answer is not 5 by 7 we need x value na 5 your answer is 5 are you clear nana next they given what case let they given 61 to 65 in March 2018 the total number of students school ABC school name is ABC not ABC school name is ABC are you clear don't separate that one A school B school C school only one school is there that is ABC school name is ABC school all of you clear nana in ABC school how many classes are there 5 classes are there 1 class 2nd class 3rd class 4th class 5th class only one column number of students are you clear nana only one column now see here the school has 5 classes okay the number of students in class 5 is 50% more than in class 2 50% more than in class 2 if class 2 is 2 parts class 2 is 2 parts class 5 is 50% more is nothing but 3 parts na all of you clear nana the number of students in class 3 is 10 more than that in class 2 and class 2 plus class 2 is 2 parts plus 10 are you clear nana Next, the number of students in class 4 is 10% less than in class 3. 10% less na? Two parts lo 10% 0.2. 0.2 less is nothing but 1.8. 10 lo 10% ante 1 less is nothing but, are you clear? 1.8 parts plus 9. Next, the total number of students in class 2 and class 3 together is 15 less than the class 4 and class 5 together. The total number of students class 2 and class 3. Class 2 and class 3 na? How much on class 2 and class 3? 4 parts plus 10. This value is 15 less than the these two and these two. These two is how much na? 4.8 parts plus 9. 15 less than na? This is 15 less than this value na? And here it is. Here it is. Now difference is how much na? 4 parts of 4.8 parts is how much? 0.8 parts na? 0.8 parts. Now if you observe carefully here, so 25 9 is nothing but 16 na? 0.8 parts is nothing but 16. Then one part will be 20. One part will be, if one part will be 20, then 3 parts will be 60. 2 parts will be 40. This is 50. 1.8 parts nothing but 36. 36 plus 9, 45. Total it is 243 na? Total ABC schools total strength is, now add 40, 50, 90. 90 plus 105, 195. Therefore remaining is school 1, class 1. So once you fill this data, the questions are very easy for you. Are you clear? A simple caselet. See the first question, all of you. In April 2018, okay, the school, the given data is also, March 2018. Given data is what? March 2018, okay. In April 2018, the total number of students in class in school ABC increased by 1 by 9th as compared to the previous month. Previous month is 243 na? 1 by 9th is nothing but 1 by 9 times of 243. 9 how many times? 27 times. Yes or na? 27 times. 27 plus 243, 270. 2. April month total strength is 270 na? April month total strength is 270 na? Yes, 243 plus 1 by 9th of 243. Next, increased by 1/9. Okay, if in April 2018, average number of students studying class 1, 2, 3, 4 was 51. So average is 51, sum is 204 na? So 4 into 51, 4 into 51. So total strength is 270, 124. 124 is 204. They're asking class 5 na? And the remaining students na? Remaining students is what? 66. Total strength is 270. Out of 270, 124 it is 204. The remaining it is 5th class. Next, in class 4, the respective ratio between the number of male students and that of female students is 3:2. Okay, 3:2. In class 4, the respective ratio between the number of male students to that of female students is 3:2. 3:2 is nothing but 5 parts na? 5 parts is nothing but 45 na? Each part is 9 na? 3 parts is nothing but 27. 2 parts is nothing but 18. Yes. So 27 male are there, 18 female are there. If the number of female students in class 1 to that class 4 is equal, so female students are equal in class 1 and class 4. Class 4 female students are, therefore class 1 female students is also, if in class 1 female students are 18, male students are 30 na? Yes. They're asking what is the difference between the number of male students in class 1 and class 4. Male students in class 1 is how much? 30. Class 4 is, difference is 3. Class 1, class 4, number of male students difference. Next, the number of students in class 5 is approximately what percent of the total number of students in the school? Class 5. Class 5 how many students? 60 na? 60 by 243 na? And approximately 1 by 4 na? Approximately they're asking. So 1 by 4 na? 1 by 4 is 25. What is the total number of students in class 2 and class 3 together? Class 2 and class 3. How much? 90. Next. Just check it carefully. The number of female students in class 2 is half of that in class 3. So first of all, class 3, how many students are there? 50. 50 na? Class 3. Half is nothing but. Therefore, female students in class 2 is 25. Next, if the respective ratio between the number of male students in class 2 and that in class 3, male students in class 2 is how much, Nana? Class 2 and class 3, 14, 13. Class 2, how many students are there total? 40. But they given class 2 to class 3. If you observe carefully here, in class 2, male students are how many? Sorry, female students are how many? 20, 25. So female students are 25. Total strength is, therefore male students are 15. Class 2 is 15. Class 2 is 15. Then what is the number of female students in class 2? No. They are not asking that one. The number of female students in class 2 is half of that in class 3. Class 3, they didn't mention about class 3 total students are half of that in class 3. That class 3 either total students are male students or female students. They didn't give in clarity. Here they given the number of female students in class 2 is half of that in class 3. So class 3 total strength is 50. Half of that annadu ante em avutunnappudu 25. What is the number of female students in class 2 ante direct 25 kada answer, but there is no option na. That is not the statement. Clarity is missing in that one statement. Okay nana? Next question. Question number is what? 66 to 70. So see they given what they given here. Direct data they given. The given table is regarding people who are surveyed in 4 cities A, B, C, D, either like pizza or do not like pizza. Okay. Either like pizza, do not like pizza. Ante like pizza, do not like pizza, if you add, then you will get total. All of you clear, Nana? So out of the number of people surveyed in city C, total people is nothing but how much? 650 na? In city C 650 na? So 40% were boys. 40% is nothing but how much, Nana? 65, 130. 130, 260. So boys are 260. The number of boys who like pizza were 450% more than the number of boys who did not like pizza. So do not like pizza is 100. Then who like pizza is 550. 450% more. Not 450% off. 450% more. That is nothing but ratio is what na? 2:11. 2 total 13 parts na? 13 parts is nothing but 260 na? Each part is 20. Each part is. Now they are asking how many boys in CTC liked pizza. Pizza liked is what? 11 parts na? So 220. Each part is 20. 11 parts is nothing but 220. First of all, in options 11 multiple, only one option. Don't need to calculate this 260 also. Are you clear, Nana? Next. What is the respective ratio between the total number of people who do not like pizza in city A? How much, Nana? 120. City B together, na? City B is nothing but 170. And the first one should be 17 multiple, na? First one should be 17 multiple, na? Only one option. Mal no need to calculate second variety. Are you clear, Nana? That one 17 is a prime number. ఇంకో టేబుల్లో పోవడానికి కూడా లేదు. సరే ఇంకోటి కూడా పోవచ్చు అనడానికి. అందుకని డైరెక్ట్గా టిక్ కొట్టొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్. The number of people who like pizza in city E, talking about city E, new city, 20% less than the number of people who like pizza in city B. City B who like pizza, 350. 20% less is nothing but 70 less. 70 less is nothing but 280. It total number of people who are surveyed in city E was total is 350. The remaining is who do not like pizza is 70. Total is 350. 280 like remaining 70 do not like. What is the difference between the number of people who like pizza in city A? Like pizza is, and number of people who do not like pizza in city C. 2. Difference. Number of people who do not like pizza in city A 120 is what percentage more than the, so more than the who do not like pizza in city D. They compared with the city D na 80. Difference is how much? 40 by 50. 80 is nothing but your answer is 50. What is the average number of people who like pizza in city BCD? BCD. This one only? This one only na? So 300 to 400 to 400. How much? 1100. 1170 na? 1170 na? Your answer is 390. 73 table అవ్వాలంటే 9 times of 80. ఓకేనా? 9th ఎండే ఆప్షన్ ఒకటే ఉంది, 0 కాకుండా. నెక్స్ట్ 78. Selling price, they're asking selling price. Cost price is 24,000. Profit is 20%. Don't calculate value, Nana. Just keep aside. They're asking selling price, na. In quantity 1, cost price is 24,000. Quantity 2, selling price, cost price is also 24,000. Are you clear, Nana? So 20% profit. All of you clear, Nana? If you see the second one, selling price, they're asking if cost price is 24,000 and shopkeeper gained 16.2/3% profit after giving a discount. After giving a discount, we don't bother about discount. Our profit is what? Here profit is what? Where is the selling price should be more? Either 20 or 16.2/3. Where it is more? 20. So your answer is quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. We don't bother about discount because we don't bother about market price. Our concentration is only selling price. కాస్ట్ ప్రైసెస్ ఏమైనప్పుడు 20% ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎక్కువ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఉంటుందా? 16.2/3 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎక్కువ ప్రాఫిట్ ఉంటుందా? ఎక్కువ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఉంటుందా? 20%. No need to calculate values na, because in both the cases cost prices are same na. That is the reason. No need to calculate values. Miru values find out cheyaddu. Next, quantity 1. Number of days in which A alone, A and B, 8 days, B and C, 12, C and A, 8. See here. Tell me fast. A and B, B and C. Tell me fast. B and C, 12. C and A, C and A. LCM 24, not 48. LCM is what? 24. So 8 3s are 12 2s are 8 3s are. Yes or not? If you add all 8 na, but 2 times of A plus B plus C is 8 na. If you add all, you will get 2 times of A plus B plus C na. 2 times of A plus B plus C is 8 na. Then 1 time of A plus B plus C is, we need which person? A. If you want this 4 parts is what? A plus B plus C na. A plus B plus C is 4 parts. We need A and we need to subtract BC na. BC na. If you subtract 2 from 4, 2. Therefore A's 1 day work is 2. Then total 24 it will take 12 days. So quantity 1 is 12. Number of days A alone. A alone. They're asking A alone. Given A and B together is how many days, Nana? A, B together is 18 days. Okay. After working for 6 days, is nothing more. 6 days work is completed, na. Remaining work is this 12 days work done by whom? B completed the remaining work in. A, B together work is done by B in 24 days. 12 days work in 24. Then total work is 18, na. 18 units in 36 days. B alone 36. A, B together is 18. A, B together is 18. So B alone is 36. Then A alone is how much? So A xy by y minus x na. Difference is 18 na. 18 get cancelled na. Then A alone how much na? 36. Then our answer is Q1 less than Q2. Where it is? Q1 less than Q2 or Q2 greater than Q1. Fourth option is there. Third option na? Yes. Q2 greater than Q1. Both are same, na? ఈక్వల్ ఉంది కదా, ఓకే. సో Q2 గ్రేటర్ దాన్ Q1. లేదంటే ఇది చేయాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదు, ఎందుకంటే AB టుగెదర్ 18, BL 36 అంటే AL కూడా 36 ఉన్నప్పుడే AB టుగెదర్ 18 వస్తుంది. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? అలా కూడా డైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ వాల్యూమ్. ఇఫ్ ద డయామీటర్ ఆఫ్ ద స్పియర్ ఈస్ 14, నానా డయామీటర్ ఈస్ 14, రేడియస్ ఈస్, ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్? నెక్స్ట్ వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ద క్యూబ్, దేర్ ఆస్కింగ్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ క్యూబ్ ఈస్ 8. నానా చేయక్కర్లేదు నాన్న దీన్ని, ఎందుకో తెలుసా? వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ క్యూబ్ అంటే డైరెక్ట్ ఏ క్యూబ్, దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 512. బట్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ షుడ్ బి వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్పియర్. వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్పియర్ ఈస్ 4/3 pi r cube నా. R is nothing but 7 na. 7 na. So this value should be more than 512 na. 7 cube is nothing but 343. 343 into 22/7 into 4/3. Definitely it will cross 512 na. So no need to calculate. Mala calculate chesi yes quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. So no need to decide like that. All of it clear na. By seeing the values itself you are going to say like that. So your answer is quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Your answer is option 1. Next Anna. Ready? In a class, 3 students weighing 72 kg, 83 kg, 60 kg respectively leave the class and are replaced by 3 new students weighing 51, 45, 69 respectively. As a result, the average weight of the class is decreased by 1.25 kg. How many students are there in the class? 3 are leaving and 3 are joined. Okay, Nana? So who are leaving? How many kgs? Who are leaving? Total 70, 80, 150, 150, 60, 210, 210, 215. These are who are leaving. Who are joined? Their weights are 90, 150. So 150, 160, 160. Difference is how much, Nana? Difference 50. Difference is total difference is 50 due to that 3 students replacement. Are you clear, Nana? Per student it is decreased by how much? Total decreased by 50. Per student decreased by, then you can know how many students are there in the class. Total decreased by 50. Per student decreased by 1.25. So your answer is 40. Your answer is 40. 1.25 40 times. Or 1/4 is nothing but 5/4. 5 get cancelled. 4 comes to the numerator. 4 into 10 40. Are you ready, Nana? So total weight ప్రకారం మనకు 50 kg డిక్రీజ్ అయింది. పర్ స్టూడెంట్కి 1.25 డిక్రీజ్ అయింది. మరి ఎంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటే పర్ స్టూడెంట్కి 1.25 డిక్రీజ్ అవుతే ఓవరాల్గా 50 డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అలా క్లియర్. నెక్స్ట్ vessel A and B are containing 60 liters of pure milk and 60 liters of water respectively. 10 liters of pure milk was taken out from the vessel A and poured into vessel B. Thereafter 14 liters of mixture was taken out from vessel B and poured into vessel A. What is the respective ratio of the milk and water in the vessel A? So vessel A, pure milk is there na? Vessel A, pure milk. Vessel B, pure water. Pure. Next. 10 liters of milk was taken from vessel A and you are going to add in vessel B. And in vessel B, water is 60, milk is 10. Next. And poured into vessel B. Okay, thereafter 14 liters of this mixture is taken out from vessel B. This mixture 14 liters. Nana, total 17 in vessel B, 17 total. Vessel B now 17 14 liters you are taking na. That 14 is how much percentage of 70? 20% na. And 20% of milk is coming out, 20% of water is coming out. Are you clear, Nana? 20% of 60 is nothing but 12. 20% of 10 is nothing but 2. Are you clear? Total 14 coming out and poured into vessel A. Vessel A already how many liters of milk is there? 50. Here you have 2 liters are pouring na. Then it becomes 52 na. And water is 12. This is milk and this is water. Now they are asking what is the respective ratio of the milk and water in the ratio. So milk is how many parts na? 52. Water is 12. 4 table 413 times 4 3s are. So whenever you are taking from the mixture, equal quantity of milk is coming out and equal quantity of water is coming out according to the respective ratio. It's not possible to separate manually milk and water. So 14 liters system అంటే 14 అనేది ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా 20%. అంటే 20% ఆఫ్ వాటర్ బయటకు వస్తుంది, 20% ఆఫ్ మిల్క్ బయటకు వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న 6 years ago B's mother's age is 2 1/3 times of B's age. 2 1/3 ఏమని రాయొచ్చు? 7/3 నా? అంటే 3 parts is B's age, 7 parts is mother's age. Mothers and B. Next 8 years hence. 8 years hence nana, 8 years hence the respective ratio between them 7:4. They're asking what is the percentage of B? What is the percentage of B? Nana, look at here, all of you. So no need to do any circus. Observe carefully here. This is 6 years ago na. 6 years ago is 3 parts. They're asking percentage na. Therefore option is percentage na. If we subtract 6 from percentage, that should be a 3 multiple. If we add 8 years hence na, if we add 8 to option, then that should be a 4 multiple. Are you clear? Answer cannot be determined kaadu, answer can be determined. Now see the first option 24. If we subtract 6, if we subtract 6, how much? 18 is a 3 multiple na. If you add 8, 32. 32 is a 4 multiple na? Yes, maybe your answer. 18. If you subtract 6, how much? 12. Yes, 3 multiple. But if you add 8, 26. 26 is a 4 multiple. Next 27. If you subtract 6, 21 is a 3 multiple. But if you add 8, 35. 35 is a 4 multiple. Now 21. If you subtract 6, 15. Yes. If you add 8, 29. 29 is a, your answer is 22. Equal చేసి దాన్ని ఎక్స్ అనుకోని లేదంటే ఇంకో దాన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేసి సర్కస్ చేసిన ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. బట్ వీ డోంట్ వాంట్ దట్ వన్. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? అసలు సాటిస్ఫై అయిందంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్ చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదు. ఓకేనా? అదే నెక్స్ట్. A man takes total time of 3.5 hours to travel 24 kilometers upstream and same distance downstream together. If the time taken by the man to travel 4.8 kilometers upstream and that of 6.4 kilometers downstream are equal. So what is the speed of the water and current? Now look at here all of you. If the time taken by the man to cover 4.8 kilometers upstream and downstream. Upstream is y, downstream is x. Here time is same na. Here time is same na. This is a time constant method na. Whenever time is constant, distance and speeds are directly proportional na. Are you clear na? Distances ratio they given na. Upstream is how many kilometers? Downstream is, and this is 3:4 na. 3:4 na. Therefore speeds are in the ratio 3:4 only. Whenever time is constant, distance and the speeds are directly proportional to each other. Are you clear? Upstream speed is 3 parts, downstream speed is 4 parts. Now see here, 24 kilometers upstream speed is 3 parts na. Next to same distance 24 kilometers in 4 parts, that is equal to how many hours? 3.5 hours. Are you clear nana? Now 3 parts how many times? 8 plus 6 14. Nana 3.5 how many times 14? 4 times na. 3.5 how many times 14? 4 times. Therefore each part will be equivalent to 4 na. If each part is 4, they are asking speed of the current, speed of the water. So 4 parts is nothing but 16 na. Each part is 4 is nothing but 4 parts is 16 na. 3 parts is 12 na. They are asking C na. Speed of the current. Speed of the current is nothing but x minus 5 by 2 na. 16 minus 12 by 2 na. 16 minus 12 4. 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. Your answer is 2. Are you clear nana? Here distance is constant. Whenever distance is constant, sorry, time is constant. Whenever time is constant, distance and speeds are directly. If you know that rule, that is very easy for you. Are you clear nana? Shall I go for the next question? Are you ready? So be active. So many questions are there now. See here. Rupees X was invested in scheme A, which offers simple interest 10.5% per annum for 2 years. The amount received from scheme A was invested in scheme B, which offers compound interest 10% per annum for 2 years. If the interest received from scheme B is how much, Nana? 813.12. What is the value of X? Nana, if you observe carefully here, Nana, koncham jartha chudandi all of you. So if you go for the regular method, it will take some time. So now if you observe carefully here, we are going to attack directly. So rupees X, we don't know the principal. 1 year simple interest is 10.5, 2 years is that 21%. Are you clear, Nana? They given if the interest received from scheme B, we don't know scheme A interest. Yes or no? Next, the amount is nothing but 20. Principal is 100%. Principal is 100%. Principal is interest is 21. Amount is 121. That one you have to keep in compound interest. That one you have to keep in compound interest. Compound interest is how much? 10%. 1 year 10% na. Second year 10% na. Plus 10% of 10% 1 na. Together is 21% na. On this 121 again you have to calculate 21%. 21% of 121 is how much, Nana? 813.12. Now we need what? Principal. Principal is nothing but X, na? X is nothing but what, Nana? 100%. 100% is what? Now if you observe carefully here, all of you, percentage get cancelled. Don't worry about the percentage. Nana, 121 how many times? 121 20 times ante enta? 121 2s are ante enta? 2420 na? 24. Here I am doing 120 into 20 into 121. 20 into 2420. 2420 plus 20 into 121 kada. Megata enta inka 121 ఉంటుంది కదా. అంటే total it is 2541. All of you clear, Nana? So 2541 parts is nothing but 813 na. Then 100 parts is how much? So if you observe carefully here, all of you, 30, Nana, if you take 30% of value of this one is what? 30% value of this one is what? 750, almost more than 750. Our answer is more than 30. Our answer is more than 30, and it's very closer to 30 na. If you take 30%, then you will get 762. We need 813, and our answer is more than 30. It's very closer to 30. See the options, more than 30 is very closer to 30. And it goes exactly, this is how much percent and exactly 32%. This is also 32. So your answer is what? 3200. So if you go for regular method, definitely it will take some time. All of you clear, Nana? Next. A and B started a business investment of 8,000, 14,000 at the end of 6th month from the start of the business. B left. C joined with an investment half of the B's investment. C share out of the annual profit 2,450. So what was the total profit? So here remove 3 zeros from everywhere. A is there from starting to ending na. All of you clear, na? And 8 parts into 2 years na. 8 parts into 2 years. Because sum is for 2 years only na. Only 1 year na. Annual profit and only 1 year. And 12 months. Coming to B. At the end of 6th month, B left. Therefore, up to 6 months, B is there na. 14 into 6. C joined after 6 months na. And is there in the business for 6 months. Half of the capital of B na. 7 parts. Now remove 6. 6 2s are. All of you clear na? And 16 is to 14 is to 7. Total how many parts? 21, 37. 30. Now they given what? C na? C is how much? 2450. 37 parts is nothing more. 7 how many times na? 350 times na? 7 350 times na? 7 300 times 2100. 750 times 350. 350 plus 2100. 2450. Are you clear? Next one, 37 into 35. సర్కస్ చేస్తారా? 35 into 35 ఎంత? 35 square. 122 and our answer is more than 1225. It's very closer to 1225 na. 12,950. అది కానీ చేసుకుంటూ కూర్చోకూడదు. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్ నానా? 12,250 plus 700, 12,950. Are you clear? 35 times 35 2s are. Next, a salesman gets a commission of X percentage. First 3,000 worth sale and Y% on the remainder. When his sales were 15,000, his total commission was 2,760. When his sales were 25,000, his total commission was 4,760. What is the value of X? See, nothing is there here. Up to 3,000 sales tax is X percentage. Beyond 3,000 sales tax is Y percentage. Are you clear, Nana? So first you are purchasing how many thousand? 15,000. First 3,000 is nothing but X percentage, na? First 3,000 is nothing but X percentage, na? X percentage of 3,000, na? X percentage of 3,000, na? నాకు తెలిసి X plus X percentage of 3,000 అని 30X. ఎస్ అని చెప్తారు కానీ ఆ 30X అని చెప్పరు. ఎస్ అని అనడానికి నాకు తెలియదు ఏంది ఎస్ అని. ఫస్ట్ 3,000 ఏమైనా X percent కదనా? X percentage of 3,000 అంటే 30X. పర్సంటేజ్ అంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమూవ్ 2 zeros. మళ్ళీ X percentage of 3,000 X by 100 into 3,000 2 zeros రిమూవ్. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్ నానా? 30X ప్లస్ నానా 15,000 3,000 కంప్లీటెడ్ నా. బియాండ్ 3,000 how many thousand? 12,000. on 12,000 Y percentage na. Y percentage of 12,000 is nothing but 120Y. In this transaction we are paying how much tax? 2760 na. 27. Next transaction is 25,000 transaction na. 3,000 is nothing but 30X. If you remove 3,000, remaining is 22,000. 22,000 Y percent is nothing but 220Y. In this transaction we are paying 4760 na. 4760 na. Now 30X get cancel na. 220Y 120Y 100Y 4760 2760 2000. 100Y is equal to, and Y is equal to but they are asking X. But they are asking, don't worry. See here all of you. చూస్తున్నారా? జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. Y is equal 20 na. If you keep here Y is equal 20, 120 into 20 2,400 na. 2,400 na. If you subtract 2,400 from 2760 360 na. 30X is equal 360 na. X is equal to 12. మరి ఎవరు 12 ఇప్పుడు 30X is equal ఎంత నా? 360 నా. 12 కదా? ఎస్. 3 12s are 36. Are you ready? The length of the train A and B are 176 meters and 279 meters respectively. The time taken by the train to cross other when they meet, they are traveling in the opposite direction is 7 seconds. And they are traveling in the same direction is 91 seconds. What is the speed of the slower train? Whatever it may be. Nana, in order to confuse the students, they are giving slower train to faster train. If 2 trains are there, one train is always faster, another train is always slower. Yes or not? Simply they given in order to confuse the students. Don't bother about the terminology. Are you clear, Nana? Whenever one train is crossing another train, distance is nothing but length of the train 1 plus length of the train 2 na. So together is how much? Length of train 1, length of train 2, distance is how much? 176 to 279 together. 450. Distance is 455 na. Time is how many seconds? First 7 seconds. How many seconds? Distance by time is nothing but speed na. Opposite direction is nothing but S1 plus S2 na. 7 6 hours 42 na. 7 5 hours na. Therefore S1 plus S2 is equal to 65. Now in the next case same direction na. Distance is 455 only. Time is 91 seconds na. How many times? 5 times. Now we need slower one na. First of all tell me S2 get cancel na. S2 get cancel na. 2S1 is equal to 70 na. Then another one it is 35, another one is 30. Slower train speed is 35 one and 30 second one. But 30 is not our answer. This is meter per second na. You have to convert them into kilometer per hour na. So 18 by అవసరం లేదు దీంతో మనకెందుకమ్మా 5 6 hours 18 6 hours 108. అసలు చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు 10 km/h అంటే 36 km/h కదా. 10 meter per second అంటే 30 కాబట్టి ఇంటూ 3 years సరిపోతుంది. 10 meter per second అంటే హౌ మెనీ కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్? ఏం మాట్లాడంటే 10 meter per second అంటే హౌ మెనీ కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్? 36 కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్. 10కు 36 కదా, 30కి 108. వద్దులేండి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఆర్ యూ రెడీ? చెక్ ఇట్ హియర్. Ram sold an article after giving a discount of X% discount and earned a profit of 40%. Had he sold the article after giving 2X% discount, he would have gained 5% profit. What would the approximate profit percentage if he sells all articles after giving a discount of 25%? So discount there means sir MP na. Here I am going to take MP is 100, X% discount. If you give X% discount, profit is 40%. 40% profit is nothing but that should be 140% of CP na. Clear? Next 2X% discount na. Then in that case profit is 5% only. That is nothing but what na? 105% na. All of it 5% profit only na. Now if you observe carefully here, how much discount is more in the second case? X% more na. That X percentage discount is always calculated in MP na. And the X percentage of MP is equal to how much profit is reduced? 35% of CP na. Are you clear or not? Now MP by CP is equal to how much na? 35% is nothing but 7 by marked price అంటే మనం 100 అనుకున్నాం కదా నా. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? 7 by 5. MP 7 parts, CP is 5 parts. Now here they are asking what question is what? If he sells the articles after giving 25% discount. Nana 25% discount nana. 7 lo 25% అంటే how much? 7 లో 25% అంటే half 1.75. 1.75. If you give 1.75, remainder will be 5.25. 5.25 na. 0.25 na. సో 0.25 అనేది మనకి ఇక్కడ X% కదా అనుకుంది మనం. times వెయిట్ అన్న మనం ఇక్కడ X% కదా అది. X% ఆఫ్ MP ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు X% తగ్గడం వల్ల మనకు డిస్కౌంట్ ఎంత ప్రాఫిట్ ఎక్స్ట్రా తగ్గిందన్నా? 35%. 35% ఆఫ్ CP. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒకసారి మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే 25% చూడనా, 25% డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు X% డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమో ప్రాఫిట్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 35% వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పేయచ్చు. X% డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడే మనకు 35% ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుంది. 25% డిస్కౌంట్ ఇస్తే ఎంత ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుందని క్వశ్చన్. అంటే 25% డిస్కౌంట్ ఆన్సర్ ఖచ్చితంగా 35 కన్నా తక్కువే ఉండాలి కదా. ఆన్సర్ డెఫినెట్లీ లెస్ దాన్ 35 కదా. సార్ లెస్ దాన్ 35 మీరు ఎందుకు ఎలా చెప్తున్నారు సార్ అంటే, నీకు X% డిస్కౌంట్ తగ్గడం వల్ల వాల్యూ విల్ బి వెరీ క్లోజర్ టు కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్. యు ఆర్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ ఎనీ లాస్. X% తగ్గినప్పుడు కూడా మీకు లాస్ రాలేదు. అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ వచ్చే వాల్యూ అనేది 35 కన్నా తక్కువ, 35కి చాలా క్లోజర్గా ఉండాలి. చూడండి ఆప్షన్ చూడండి, 35 కన్నా దగ్గరగా, 35కి దగ్గరగా ఉన్న ఆప్షన్ ఏంటి? 31. సో యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 31. లేదు మీరు ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకొని చేస్తారన్నా ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ సమ్ టైమ్. ఓకేనా? డైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పేయచ్చు మనం ఏం చేయకుండానే. నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి, the respective ratio between the numerical values of curved surface area and volume of the right circular cylinder is 1:9. If the respective ratio between the diameter and height of the cylinder is 12:7, what is the total surface area of the cylinder? First of all, Anna, what is the curved surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi r h kada. 2 pi r. R is nothing but radius na. Radius is how many parts na? 6 parts. Diameter is 12 parts. Radius is 6 parts na. H they given na. How many parts? 7 parts. Divided by volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is nothing pi r square h na. Pi r square h. Pi r square. R square ante h na. H is nothing but how much na? 7. ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ నానా? ఇది 6x, ఇది 7x, ఇది 6x హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్? 1/9. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Volume is pi r square h. Why you are taking 6 sir ante diameter lo half radius. Now see here 2 pi get cancel na, 7x get cancel na, 16x get cancel na, remaining is 6x, 2 1s are 2 3s are na, therefore x is equal to how much na, x is equal to మనకి x అయినా మిగిలింది, ఇంకేమైనా మిగిలినా 3 ఓన్లీ నా, x is equal to 3. if x is equal to 3 నానా మనకు కావాల్సింది వాట్ ఈస్ ద టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద సిలిండర్. ఇప్పుడు రేడియస్ ఎంత 6 పార్ట్స్ కదా, 6 పార్ట్స్ కదా 18. నెక్స్ట్ హైట్ 7 పార్ట్స్ కదా 21. నెక్స్ట్ మనకు కావాల్సింది టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా. టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా అంటే కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ప్లస్ టాప్ వ్యూ ప్లస్ బాటమ్ వ్యూ, దట్ ఈస్ 2 pi r square. if you take 2 pi r common, 2 into 22/7 r it is 18, then you will get h plus r. h plus r is nothing but 18 plus 21. so if you calculate, then you will get the answer on just calculation part. okay nana, just try to solve. this is not 49, this is 39. then you will get in terms of decimals. are you clear nana? just to calculate that one. next, 16 men can complete a job in 20 days, 14 women can complete the same job in 30 days, 40 men started working and they are replaced by 21 women after 5 days. In how many days these 21 women can finish the remaining work? Our target is to finish the remaining work only. Nana, see here, 16 men 20 days na, then a single man can do it in 320 days. 16 into 20. are you clear? 16 men 16 మంది ఉన్నప్పుడు 20 రోజులు పట్టింది, సింగిల్ మ్యాన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు 320 days. 16 into 20. are you clear? నెక్స్ట్ ఉమెన్ 14 ఉమెన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు 30, సింగిల్ ఉమెన్ is there 420. it goes which table maximum? these two tables, which table goes maximum? 20 table. 20 16 times na, 16 into 640, 16 into 400 6400, 16 into 20 320, 320 plus 6400 6720. LCM is 6720. Nana 420 how many times nana? 420. ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాం 420 ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ పోతున్నానా? 16 టైమ్స్ పోతుంది. 320 ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ పోతున్నానా? 21 టైమ్స్ పోతుంది. సో నన్న 320 20 టైమ్స్ అంటే 6400 చూస్తున్నారు. ఒక 320 ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంది 21 టైమ్స్. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? నౌ సీ హియర్ 40 men started working project after 5 days. These 40 men are working for 5 days na? These 40 members are working for 5 days na? 40 into 5 200. Per man work is daily work is, and how much work is completed? 4200 units are completed na? Remaining work is our target na? 2000. Oi, if we subtract 2 from 67, 2520. This work is done by whom? In how many days we need to complete? First tell me. We need to find out days only na. How many women are there? 21 women are there na? Per woman how many work? 16. 21 into 16. 21 how many times na? 120 times. So 120 by 16. 16 7s are 112. Remainder is 8. 8 by 16 is nothing but 1 by 2. Otherwise 430 times 4 times. 30 by 4 is nothing but 7.5 only. Our target is only remaining work. Remaining work is 2520. That we need to complete with the help of 21 women. In how many days? One woman work is 16. Next, a box contains 88 tickets numbered from 1 to 88. One ticket is randomly picked. What is the probability that the ticket will show a number which is a prime number less than 32? So first of all, out of 88 we are drawing one card na, that is 88C1. So n of s is 88. Are you clear? So numerator should be n of e should be a prime number that is less than 32. Less than 32, how many prime numbers are there? 11. So your answer is 11 by 88. మీరు కావాలంటే చెక్ చేసుకోండి. 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19. So 23 29 31. Total 11 are there. Are you clear nana? 11 by 88 is nothing but 1 by. So question number is what? 53 only. 53 నేనా? సో డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ చూడండి. సో డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు కూడా మీరు లీవ్ చేయొద్దు క్వశ్చన్స్ని. ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ బికాస్ సో వీ డోంట్ వాంట్ సాల్వ్ ద ఆన్సర్. వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు చెక్ వెదర్ ద డేటా ఈజ్ సఫిషియంట్ ఆర్ నాట్. అవర్ డ్యూటీ ఈజ్ టు చెక్, నాట్ టు సాల్వ్. చెకింగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఈజీ కంపారిటివ్లీ సాల్వింగ్. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ. ఎవరైనా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ వద్ద లీవ్ చేయొద్దు. ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? క్వశ్చన్ లెంతీగా ఉందని చూడడానికి అది భయంకరంగా ఉంటుంది. ఆన్సర్ చేస్తే ఏముండదు. ఆన్సర్ చేయం కదా, చేస్తే భయపడాలి, చేయం కదా. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? అదే సీ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అన్న. హౌ మచ్ టైమ్? ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ వాట్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ టైమ్. సో will the boat to travel 80 kilometers downstream? So 80 by x is equal time na. And what we need? X we need. X is nothing but downstream speed. So from the statements we need x. Are you clear nana? Now see here, all of you. See the first statement. The speed of the boat in still water is 18 km/h. This is not x, this is b. Are you clear nana? Speed of the boat they given. Respective ratio between the time taken by the boat to travel certain distance A to B upstream, the time taken to travel same distance downstream is 5:4. Yes, they given times ratio na, same distance na. See here, same distance na, distance is constant na. They given which ratio? Times ratio na. Times ratio na. You will get speeds ratio. You will get speeds ratio na. Speeds ratio, one speed we know na already. B we know na already. Then we have to find out C also. Once we know B, once we know C, B plus C is nothing but x na. Only one alone is sufficient. But immediately only one alone option tick kottakudu. You have to check second one also. So individually how to check. If answer is not possible, then only how to mix. Second statement. Forget about first statement. Only see the second statement. The distance between A and B is okay. The time taken by the boat to travel this distance upstream in 2.5 hours. Now upstream in 2.5 hours is nothing but all of you 40 kilometers na. 40 kilometers na. 40 kilometers 2.5 hours. And we will get upstream speed na. Upstream speed we know na. Upstream speed we know na. Yes, upstream speed we know. Whenever upstream speed we know, is it possible to get downstream speed? 40 kilometers by 2.5 hours. You will get what? Y. Y is nothing but what? B minus C. B minus. Is it possible to get x? Why using B? Are you clear nana? 40 kilometers distance nana. The distance between A and B is 40. The time taken by the boat to travel this distance upstream is 2.5 hours. Upstream అన్నది కాబట్టి y 2.5 hours on 2.5. 2.5 ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ పోతుంది ఇది? 2.5 ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ పోతుంది? 16 టైమ్స్ పోతుంది. y is equal to 16 అని తెలుసు. అండ్ y is equal to b minus c అని తెలుసు. దీని నుంచి మనం x ను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలమా? ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. ఓన్లీ 2 ఈజ్, ఓన్లీ 1 ఈజ్ పాసిబుల్. వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్? ఓన్లీ 1. ఓన్లీ 1 వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్? ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్. ఓన్లీ 1 ఈజ్ సఫిషియంట్. నెక్స్ట్ అన్నా క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ వాట్? 54 నా. 54. See the question. Side of a square is equal to, first of all, question is what? Side of a square is equal to length of the rectangle. See here nana, side of a square is equal to length of the rectangle. Okay. Next, what is the area of the square? What is the area of the square is nothing but, and if you know length of the rectangle or side of a square, you will get area of a square. Are you clear nana? See the first statement. The difference between the area of the rectangle and that of the square. A square na, that of the square ante A square na. A square na. But L into B na. L into B na. That is equal to how much na? 384. L we know A. A into B minus A square is equal to 384. Is it possible? Because we don't know breadth of the rectangle. So that is the reason only 1 is not possible. Okay, next. The difference between the perimeter of the square and that of the rectangle. So perimeter of the square is nothing but 4a na. Perimeter of the rectangle is nothing but 2 times of L plus B na. That is equal to how much na? 24. Difference. This difference is 24. L is nothing but A, but we don't know B na. So answer is not possible. So, no. Answer is not possible. Either 1 or not 2 ఎప్పుడు పెడతావు? either 1 or 2 అని ఎప్పుడు పెడతావు? 1 alone answer possible, 2 alone answer possible. Now you have to check together. And if you check together, so first of all here we don't know breadth of the rectangle. If you don't know breadth of the rectangle, if you take A common also here, what do you get here? B minus A is equal to 384. Here 2A plus B is equal to how much, Nana? 2A plus 2B. 2A plus 2B is equal to difference kada manaku kavalsindi. Yes, difference. This is 2A, this is 4A. So this is 2A na, this is what? 4A. So subtract 2A from 4A. 2A minus 2B, that is equal to what? 24. And A minus B is equal to, then A is equal to 12 plus B na. All of it clear na? Now substitute this value here, then you will get A na. In place of B, if you substitute A, or in place of B, if you substitute A, or in place of A, if you substitute B, you will get two equations, two variables, na? Answer possible or na? Yes. So your answer is what? Both are required. Both are. Where it is that one? Both are required. Huh? Fifth option. Both are required, necessary. Both answers are required. See the next question, Anna. Question number is what? 55. See here 55. What is the respective ratio of initial investments of A and B? Okay. See the first question. A started the business by investing certain amount and he invested the whole year. B joined A after 6 months from the start of the business and invested for the rest of the year. The profit generated by A and B in the ratio, respective ratio is 18:5. So if you observe carefully here, and all of you, A started the business, okay, by investing certain amount. We don't know initial investment. He invested for the whole year, okay. B joined A after 6 months from the start of the business and invested for the rest of the year. The profits ratio they given. Here B's investment also we don't know, na? If you know B's investment, then by using B's investment we have to find out A's investment. B's investment we don't know. A's investment we don't know. A's investment it is we don't know. A's time period is 12. B's investment we don't know. B's time period is 6 months. The profit ratio is what? 18:5. Is it possible to find out the answer? Only one is not possible. So only two is possible. Only two they are talking about only B. It's not possible to A. So only two is also not possible. If we combine, Nana, if we combine, if you substitute B's investment here, then we will get A's investment. Na? Are you clear? Then once you will get A's investment and B's investment, they are asking the respective ratio only, and your answer is both are. Ekkadundo chudana? Second option. Together are necessary. Next one. In an election, only two candidates A and B contested. In an election, only two candidates are contested. 40% of the registered voters did not cast their vote. Okay. And 480 votes cast were declared invalid. What is the number of registered voters? So, first of all, in that election, 100 registered voters are there. 40% registered votes did not cast. Only 60 votes are casted. Out of 60% votes, 480 are invalid. And 60% is minus. That is nothing but valid votes. Are you clear, Nana? So, now see the first statement, Nana. First statement. Number of valid votes received by B is 864. If you observe carefully here, all of you, the number of valid votes received by B is 864. First of all, we don't know here A how many votes got, B how many votes got. All of it clear, Nana? Here we don't know. Yes, the valid votes are 60% minus 480. But out of that 60% minus 480, we don't know winner is getting how much, loser is getting how much. A ki ఎన్ని ఓట్స్ వచ్చాయి, B కి ఎన్ని ఓట్స్ వచ్చాయి తెలియదు. కానీ ఏమంటున్నారు ఇక్కడ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వ్యాలిడ్ ఓట్స్ రిసీవ్డ్ బై B is 864. By using only one is possible answer? No, only one it's not possible. Now forget about one, see the second statement. A got 672 valid votes more than B. Okay, 672 valid votes more than B. Okay, we don't bother about that one. Number of valid votes received by A is equal to 32% of the registered voters. See here, 32% of the registered voters is nothing but 32 na. Registered voters we assume as 100 na. Are you clear na? Out of 100, 32% na. A got 32 votes na. A got 32% na. So first of all, valid votes are how many? 60% minus 480. Winner got, A person got how many? 32. Then automatically remaining 28 minus 480. Are you clear, Nana? So is it possible, Nana? Is it possible to find out by using only second statement? Because we don't know the total votes. We don't know the total votes. This 32 is how much? This 28 is how much? We don't know. This is not 28 minus 480. 28% minus 480. So only 2 is not possible. If you combine both, Nana, if you combine both, answer is possible, na? 28% minus 480 is nothing but 864. Then 28% is nothing but 864 plus 480. Are you clear or not? Then 28% is nothing but that much value. Then 100% you have to find out or not. So no need to solve. But answer is possible or not? So only both. Where it is both? Third option. Next question number 57. What is the cost price of the article? Okay. 12% of the selling price of the article is equal to 15% of the cost price. Then is it possible? You will get only ratio here. 12% of selling price is equal to 15% of cost price. Is it possible to say the answer? Cost price by selling price is equal to 12 by 15. Is it possible? Is it possible? No, only one is not possible. See the second statement. 25% of the cost price of the article is 12 less than the 22% of the selling price of the article. Yes, 25% of the cost price of the article. 1 by 4th na? 1 by 4th na? 1 by 4th of CP is 12 less than the 22% of the selling price. And they given only ratio. Difference na they given. 22% of SP minus how much, Nana? 25% of CP. Nana, is it possible to find out CP is how much by using this statement? No, answer is not possible. But if we combine, Nana, if we combine, SP we know, CP we know, that difference is nothing but 12. 25% of 15, 25% of 12, the difference is nothing but 12. Then we will get cost price or not? 22% of 15 and 25% of 12. That difference is 12 na? That difference is 12 na? Once we get one part is how much, then we will get 12 parts is how much? Both are required. Which one? Where is the option? Both are needed. Which option? Third option. Now check the next question, 58 onwards. Organization ABC, number of male employees, number of female employees, percentage of employees promoted. Okay. In organization C, if 50% promoted employees were male employees, what percentage of female employees were promoted? So first of all, organization C. Organization C, total number of employees are how many first? 450. In organization, 50% of the employees are promoted na? 50% of promoted employees are male. How much na? 44% na? 44% on 450. So 40% on 450. Ever matter na? 180. 180. 4% is nothing but 18. Together is out of 198. 50% are male. 50% are. How many male are there? 150. Out of 150, 50% are male. Promoted employees 50% kada. 50% entrana? 90, 99. Out of 198, 99 are male. The remaining 99 also female na? They're asking how much percentage of females are promoted. Promoted females are 99, available females are 300. So your answer is 33%. 198 total promote అయ్యారు, వాళ్ళలో 99 male. Next, ABC organizations. Okay, what is the average number of employees who are promoted in organization A and B? So here total employees are 340. 340, 30% is nothing but 34 into 3. 102 plus together is 440 na. 440, 40% is nothing but 170. 170. We need average na. Here how much is there? Here how much is there? 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 2 na. 8 by 2 is nothing but our answer is 4R. 4R. 4 కానీ 9 కానీ వస్తుంది. 8 అంటే 2 టేబుల్ 8 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? ఏదో 9 times ఆర్ 4 times. ఓన్లీ 4 times కాదు కదా, లేదంటే నాన్న 278/2. జాగ్రత్త చేసుకోండి ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న, ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఇన్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ బి ఈజ్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ వాట్ పర్సెంట్ మోర్ దెన్ ద ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఏ కంపేర్డ్ విత్ ఏనా? ఏ టోటల్ ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్ అన్న? 340. బి 440. హౌ మచ్ మోర్? 100/340. అంటే అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 30% నా? 30% అది కూడా 102 నా? లెస్ దాన్ 30%. 30% is 102. We need 100. Our answer is less than 30. What is the difference between the total number of male employees in organization BC together and the total number of female employees in the same organization together? BC male, BC female. This is 500 na? This is 390. Difference is 110. Evara 100 annaru. Total how many employees, male plus female, were not promoted in AB together? Were not promoted అన్నాడు. అంటే మనం ఇందాక ఆల్రెడీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం. దీంట్లో ప్రమోట్ అయిన వాళ్ళు ఎంతమంది? 102 కదా. టోటల్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారన్న? 340. 340లో 102 ప్రమోటెడ్, రిమైనింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ప్రమోటెడ్. సో 340లో ఒక 100 తీసేస్తే 240నా? 240. ఒక 2 తీసేస్తే 238. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ 440నా? 440లో ప్రమోట్ అయిన వాళ్ళు 176 కదా. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? లేదా 440లో 60% నాట్ ప్రమోటెడ్. 44 into 6. 640 times 240. 6 4s is 24. 24 plus 240, 264. And our answer is end with 2. End with 2. How many options? Next, in organization C, 34% of male employees and 18% of female employees are commerce graduates. How many commerce graduates employees are there in the organization C? So 34% of male. Male how many? Male 150. So 34% is na? 30% is 45. 4% is 6. So 45 plus 6, 51. So 18% female. 18 3s are together is 105. So now they given bar graph. So values they given directly na? Are you clear na? డేటా తీసుకుందామా, డైరెక్ట్ ప్రతిసారి చూసుకుందామా? డైరెక్ట్గా ఉన్నాయి కదా, చూసుకుందాం. నో నీడ్ టు రైట్. అప్లికేషన్స్ ఫర్ పొజిషన్ ఏ వర్ రిసీవ్డ్ ఫర్ 8 days. ఇఫ్ ద యావరేజ్, పర్సంటేజ్ ఇచ్చాడు, టోటల్ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చాడు కదా. ఓకే, ట్రై టు టేక్ ద వాల్యూస్. ABCD. హౌ మెనీ పొజిషన్స్ ఆర్ దర్ హియర్? 6 నా? 6. టెల్ మీ ద పర్సంటేజెస్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ఫస్ట్. 16, 20, 15, 11, 26, 12. Total it is 100%. 100% value is 2400. Now look at here na. 2400 na total. 20% ante 480 na. Are you clear? 15% ante 240 plus 120, 3. Now చూడు, ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్త చూడనా. 15% 360 na. 16% 1% extra na. And 124 extra na. This is 384. 10% అంటే 240 na. 1% extra na. 264. 26% na. Calculate 25%. 25% 2 times half na. 600 plus 24. Are you clear? 11% is 264 na? Add 24 extra, you will get 12%. 280. Clear. అందుకని సీక్వెన్స్లో చేసుకుంటామని రూల్ ఏం లేదు. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? ఈజీది ఫస్ట్ చేయాలి, దాని తర్వాత యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవాలి. సీ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. అప్లికేషన్స్ ఫర్ పొజిషన్ ఏ వర్ రిసీవ్డ్ ఫర్ 8 days. 8 days అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే. ఇఫ్ ద యావరేజ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అప్లికెంట్స్ రిసీవ్డ్ ఫర్ ఫస్ట్ 3 days 38, లాస్ట్ 4 days ఈస్ 32. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అప్లికెంట్స్ రిసీవ్డ్ ఆన్ ద 4th day? See, look at here, all of you. So total how many na? 384 na? 384. Total 6 positions ki. Clear na? So first 3 days is how much? 38. 3 into 38, 114 na? Last 4 days, 32. 32 into 4, 128. Are you clear? Now if you subtract these values from 384, then you will get the answer na? Here 4 is there, here 8 is there. Together 2. If you subtract 2 from 4, 2. Answer end with 2. 142. Next question. What is the difference between the number of applicants received from A and F? A and F nana? 12, 84, 96. For 300 this is 12 less, this is 84 more. 12 plus 84, 96. Are you clear nana? Next. Average number of applicants received from E and F. E and F na? 4, 8 ante unit digit is? Unit digit is 2. And our answer is end with either 1 or 6. 1 or 6. 1 or 6. Only one option. Your answer is either end with 1 or 6. Nana, ledante meer add cheskunnana. 6 to ఎంత na? 800. 88 to 24 is how much? 112. అంటే 912. 912 by 2 అంటే 456 కాదా? నేనేమన్నాను? 4, 8, 12. 12 by 2 అంటే 6 2 అనేది 1తోనే డివిజిబుల్ అవ్వాలి, 6తోనే డివిజిబుల్ అవ్వాలి. లేదంటే 3, మహా అయితే 3 కూడా పోదు అసలు. 3 టేబుల్ 2 ఎట్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ వాట్? Out of the total number of applicants received from D and E together, okay, the ratio of male and female applicants is 20 is to, together is how much? D and E together is how much? 8, 8, 8, 8. 888 kada? Yes, together is 888. Together is what? 888. Okay. Male and female is 20 is to 17 na? What is the difference between the number of male applicants for position D and E together and female applicants for D and E together? Here D and E together, here D and E together, and here also D and E together. No need to separate. Difference nana? So first of all, males are how many parts? Females are together is 37 parts, nothing but 888 na? They are asking difference na? Difference is what? Difference is 3 parts. 3 parts is how much? Now 37 how many times anadi? 24 times na? Yes. So 37 24 times. 37 20 times 740. Are you clear nana? 37 4 times. 74 148. 148 plus 740 888. So exactly 24 times of 3 72. Your answer is 72. 1/8 the number of applicants received from position C, 2/15 of the number of applicants received from position B were from international candidates. What is the total number of applicants received from international candidates for B and C together? First of all, B total is how much? Out of 480, 1/8 na? 1/8 is nothing but 60. Next C total is 360. We need 2/15 na? In 15 table 360. 15 how many times? 24 times. Yes or not? 15 24 times 360 a. 2 24 times 48. 48 plus 1 not. లేదా ఆప్షన్ 2/15 కదా, CA కదా, 15 24 టైమ్స్ కదా, 15 20 టైమ్స్, 15 4 టైమ్సే కదా. 1/, మనం రివర్స్లో చేసాం. 1/8 ఆఫ్ C. 1/8 ఆఫ్ C. 1/8 ఆఫ్ C అంటే 360 హాఫ్. 180 half, 90 half. Your answer is 45. Next, 2 by 15th half, B. Now, 15, how many times 40, 480? 15, 32 times. 15, 30 times 450, 15 2 is 30, 30 plus 450, 480. 32 times, 32 into 2. 32 into 2, 64. Together is 109. Next, 75 only now. Now, so what are the possibilities? Tell me. 90 kada, 10 no 9, 10 no 9. Next, 56 na 7 no 8. So coefficient same కాబట్టి మనం వెరిఫై చేయక్కర్లేదు. Are you clear nana? So now tell me which one is the answer. X greater than y. Next, so 36 na 2 18s hours. 36 అంటే ఏమొస్తారన్నా 4 9. నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్లో వస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్ 2 2s hours 4 1. 2 కోఎఫిషియన్స్తో పని లేదు. సో యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ y always greater but sometimes equal. Your answer is x less than or equal to y. -1 is greater but -4 is equal. Your answer is less than or equal to. Next ana. So 2 any times 42 kada, 706 kada, 706. Here 705. See here, answer 7 is greater than 6 na, but 7 is greater than 5 na. Answer cannot be. Wait. ఏదో జరిగింది మనకి ఇక్కడ. 2 ఫస్ట్ దాని 2 ఉంది కదా, అది మర్చిపోయాం. ఎస్ 7 6 కదా, 7 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది 3.5 3. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 7. సో యూ కెన్ సే కాన్ఫిడెంట్లీ x is less than y. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న 2 12 నా 24 నా 24 అంటే 8 3 నా 8 అంటే 4 1.5 4 1.5. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటన్నా 3 4 3 అన్న 3 is greater than 1.5 na, but 4 is greater than 3 na. Answer cannot be established. Next, are you ready? Next, x is nothing but plus or minus, y is nothing but only plus 4. Y is always greater but sometimes equal. Your answer is x less than or equal to y. Next, 5 4 na or 4 5 na. This is 30 na, 5 6 na. 5 by half ante 2.5, 6 half ante. Now we can say confidently x is greater than y. Thank you all of you.